The latest Camp Nou update is here, and there's plenty happening across the stadium this week. The compression ring is finally expected to see new activity, while new llama anchors are being installed across Tribuna. LED lighting is progressing in Gol Norte, and major work is taking shape around the diamond and third level. So let's get straight into the latest developments and see what's changed. The compression ring remains unchanged at the start of this week, with the same 12 boxes still remaining from the previous update. No new boxes have been installed yet, but activity is expected to resume during the week. The final stage is now focused on installing these remaining boxes and completing the last connections of the ring. A major update in the Tribuna area is the installation of new anchors for the ceramic llamas. Anchors have now been installed across the lower, middle, and upper sections of several supports. Additional anchors are also appearing in the adjacent sectors, although a significant number still remain to be installed. This marks clear progress toward covering the first level of the stadium with the ceramic facade system. The staircase works in the Tribuna area are now almost completely finished. Only a few small gaps remain where individual tiles need to be cut and fitted into the remaining spaces, particularly around the corners. The rest of the staircase and lower ramp already have the tiles fully installed. Several lifting platforms remain positioned around the Tribuna area, supporting the ongoing facade and anchor installation works. Construction materials are also being stored throughout this section, while the upper part of the compression ring temporary support structures is already in place. Around the Tribuna corner, the anchor installation has not yet reached all areas. In the mobility core sections, the anchors behind the brackets are already visible, but the main supports for the ceramic llamas are still missing in several locations. One of the mobility cores is also still waiting for additional sandwich panels. The exterior of the Gol Sur remains relatively quiet, with only limited visible activity. The mobility core areas remain largely unchanged, while several finishing elements and corner pieces are still waiting to be installed. Some lifting platforms and workers are active around the upper sections, but there are no major visible changes in this area yet. The lower section of the diamond structure remains one of the more active areas. Workers are continuing with formwork and block installation, with large quantities of blocks prepared on site for the next stages of wall construction. Multiple workers and lifting platforms are active around the structure, with steady progress visible across several sections of the diamond. Steel elements are continuing to be installed above the doors along the first cantilever. Several sections already have these elements in place, while additional connections and steel pieces are still being installed in the remaining areas. The work is gradually extending across the cantilever, creating a more complete structural finish along this section. Important preparation work is progressing on the third level of the lateral section. Steel beams and structural pieces are being installed and aligned in preparation for the first sandwich panels at this level. This is one of the first visible areas where the third level structure is being prepared specifically for sandwich panel installation, bringing the facade works into another important stage. Workers are continuing to paint the rear sections of the llama supports in the lateral area. However, some sections are still missing the required supports entirely, meaning additional preparation work must be completed before the ceramic llamas can be installed there. Once these supports are ready, this section can gradually move toward the next facade installation phase. More block work is progressing around the diamond structure. Workers are continuing to build the walls upward, with additional blocks stored nearby ready for installation. Scaffolding is also being assembled around the structure to provide access for the next stages of construction, allowing the teams to continue extending these walls across the surrounding areas. Several workers and lifting platforms remain active around the interior and upper sections of the lateral corner. Large quantities of construction materials are being stored throughout the area, while additional work continues inside the parking and diamond sections. The area remains well supplied with materials for the next stages of construction work. The LED lighting system continues to advance in the Gol Norte area. Workers are now connecting the green electrical cables to the LED fixtures that have already been installed. Several lights are already connected, while the remaining fixtures are being prepared for installation and connection. This is gradually bringing the lighting system closer to completion in this section. More LED fixtures are now being installed across the middle section of the Gol Norte. Several lights are already positioned on the right side, while workers are actively installing new units in the remaining areas. This provides a clear view of the next stage of the stadium's llama lighting system, with installation now visibly expanding across the section. The interior scaffolding around the mobility core area has been removed, leaving the structure prepared for the next exterior works. The area is now ready for sandwich panel installation, while the lower concrete panels will also be installed as the facade progresses. With the internal access cleared, this section is now in a much better position for the next exterior phase. Painting and finishing work is continuing around the structural brackets and beams. Workers are applying the initial white coating to several sections, which will later receive the darker finishing layer. Additional work is also being carried out around the bolts and connections of the steel structures, with plenty of finishing work still remaining across these areas. New structural work has appeared around the diamond area, where reinforced sections are being prepared to create stepped seating facing the future video scoreboard. Wooden boards are now being installed over the newly formed structures, creating what will become an amphitheater-style seating area for spectators. This is another interesting development taking shape around the diamond and will become an important viewing area. The installation of the first panels for the stepped seating structure is now beginning. Workers are positioning and securing the panels along the newly prepared sections, marking the start of another visible development around the diamond area. More panels are expected to follow as this new seating structure gradually takes shape across the remaining sections. Cleaning and finishing work is also taking place around the steel structures. Workers are painting the bolts and connections while another operation is using pressurized water around the reinforced sections. Further painting and finishing will still be required across both the upper and lower levels, as these structural elements continue to receive their final surface treatment. The first day of the week has shown more activity than the previous week. The main point to watch remains the compression ring, where 12 boxes are still outstanding.